Good morning students. Today we'll see practice set 5.2 of chapter probability. Let's start with first main question. Question number 1. Write sample space denoted by S and sample points denoted by N of S of following. So these two things we need to find. So let's begin with the first sub question. First sub question is one coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. So here we have two things. First we are using a coin and second is my die. So if I throw both the things simultaneously, so S for sample space. Now suppose in first coin I will get head, right? In coin I am getting head. What about die? Die will give me 1. So this gives me H1. Second time, again the coin will give me head and dice gives me this time 2. Then head 3, head 4, head 5, head 6, right? Now again I have tossed that coin and this time that coin is giving me tail. What about die? Die is giving me 1. So tail 1. Next time tail 2. Next time tail 3. Next tail 4. One more tail 5. And the last is tail 6. Just check. Is there any result which is repeating twice? Look, head 1. This one tail 1. Both are different. So none of them are repeating. Look, is there any result which is exactly same? No. Every result is different from each other. So this is called sample space. Now let us count the number of elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So number of sample points. So I write here number of sample points. Just now we saw they are 12. So 12 is my answer. Clear everyone how to prepare sample space and how to write number of sample space. Now second sub question. 2-digit numbers are formed using digits 2, 3 and 5. What next? Without repeating a digit. So here we cannot repeat any digit, but yes, we need to prepare 2-digit numbers using 2, 3 and 5. So let's start solution. Options are 2, 3 and 5. We need to prepare 2-digit numbers. So sample space. 2 will go and join with 3. 2, 3, 23. Then 2, 5, 25. Next 3, 2, 32. 3, 5, 35. Next 5, 2, 52. Last one 5, 3, 53. Just check. Is there any result which is repeating twice or thrice? No. Every result is different. And one more question was that without repeating digits. So have we repeated any digits like 2, 2, 3, 3, 5, 5? Is there any digit which is repeated twice? No. So this is my sample space. Now let us count the number of sample space. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So number of sample space are 6. That is second sub question. I hope you all are clear how to write sample space and number of sample space. Clear? That was question number 1. Now this is what? This is your question number 2. This one. Now what this question says, look in your textbook, the question is, the arrow is rotated and it stops randomly on the disc. Find out which color it may stop. So this is a disc. If I am having an arrow here, this arrow, and if I'm rotating this disc, so this arrow may stop on yellow, it may go on orange, we may get purple, right? So the question is, where this arrow can stop? It can stop on blue, possibility. Yes, it can possibly go with green. It may give you red also, right? So what are the options for this arrow? So we'll write here. Question number 2, first I'll write what? Sample space. Sample space is what? All the options. So let us count all the options. It can stop where? It can stop with yellow. So yellow is one option. It can also stop on blue. It may come on green. Yes, that is also possible. It may possibly go with purple. Yes. It can stop on red. At the same time, it can be stop on orange. So all the colors are possible. Yes. So I can write it can stop on purple. Yes, there are chances. It can go with red. Yes, possibly. Next, it can, yes, on orange as well. Next, green. Yes, this is also possible. Next, blue. Yes. And the last option is yellow. Right? So look, we have covered all the possibilities. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these will be my number of sample space. How many sample spaces are possible? 6 elements. Clear everyone? Now students, look, in your practice set, question number 3 will be your homework. Okay? You try to solve third sub question. Okay? Don't use any video or any digest for this. Sit and try to use your own method. Try to solve this question number 3 by your own way. Okay students? Clear everyone? Understood question number 1 and question number 2. This one. And question number 3 is what? It is your homework. So let's move to next question. Question number 4 of your exercise. Just open your textbook and read the question number 4. Fourth sub question of practice set 5.2. Let's see. Look, fourth question. Form a road safety committee of 2 from 2 boys and 2 girls. Right? So 2 boys and 2 girls are given. What is given? 2 boys. So boy number 1 and boy number 2. Right? Now next one, how many girls? Again, 2 girls. So girl number 1 and girl number 2. So these are availabilities. Right? These things are available. 2 boys and 2 girls are available. Right students? 2 boys and 2 girls. Now let us start. Let's start preparing the sample space. Now what this question says, you have to put 2 persons together. So how many persons come together? 2. So this B1 will go and meet with B2. So the first pair is B1, B2. Next, this B1 will go and meet with G1. So boy number 1 contact with girl number 1. So boy 1, girl 1. Next, that same boy can go and make pair with girl 2. So boy 1, girl 2. Right? Now next, this boy B2 will go forward. Look, if it will come backward, boy 2 will go and meet with B1. So what I will get? I will get B2, B1. Look, B2, B1, do they have come together earlier? क्या ये इससे पहले आ चुके हैं? Yes. Look, B1, B2. Earlier they were B1, B2 and now B2, B1. Means they are making the same pair. Same person are coming together. So this is not possible. Right? They cannot repeat. So I cannot go back. So I move forward. So this boy 2 will go and meet with first girl. So boy 2, girl 1. Next, same boy, boy 2, girl 2. So boy 2, girls 2. Then next, then who is remaining? Girl G1. G1 will go forward. If she will come backward. So G1 B2, yes, already I am having G1 B2. If I one more step I will take back. So G1 B1. Look, where is G1 B1? This one. G1 B1. So I cannot come back, but yes, I can move ahead. We can take step further. So G1 and G2. So girl number 1, girl number 2. These are all the possibilities. So this becomes my sample space. Let us count number of sample space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of sample space are 6. Clear? Now look in your textbook. There are some sub questions. The first sub question is, sub questions are in the form of, first is A. A says that committee of 2 boys. So I'll write here. Committee of 2 boys. So select where you will get 2 boys. Look, B1, B2. Is there any committee where we have 2 boys together? No. Only these one. So B1, B2. Right? Next, B. What this question says? Committee of 2 girls. Committee of 2 girls. So is there any committee where we are getting 2 girls together? Is there any? Yes. G1, G2. So we'll write here G1 and G2. Clear all? Now next one. Look, sub question C. What this C says? Question is, committee of 1 boy and 1 girl. One boy, 1 girl. Let us see. 1 boy, 1 girl. This one, B1, girl 1. Next, this one, B1, girl 2. This one, B2, girl 1. This is boy 2 and girl 2. So look, every time you will get 1 boy, 1 girl, 1 boy, 1 girl, 1 boy, 1 girl, 1 boy, 1 girl. That was the question. You need to take 1 boy and 1 girl. Right? Clear everyone? So this is your solution. So this way we have completed practice set 5.2. Hope you all have understood. Okay? Please don't forget to solve question number 3. This is your homework. Clear students? Thank you so much.